Hey guys, it's Clinton. Welcome to the Only Profits Academy. I have been trading the Forex market, both scalping and day trading it for about 5 years. And I've been trading cryptos for a little over 2 years. And if you're new here on the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe. And you can also join my free Telegram group. The link will be in the description. So yeah, let's get right into it. I haven't uploaded in a while because I've been on vacation, but I am back right now, and yeah, there are gonna be more uploads. Okay, right in front of you, you can see that I am trading. This account is over $50,000, and this is a live account, by the way. We don't trade demo over here, and we do not show trades on TradingView over here. We put our money where our mouth is, as far as the Only Profits Academy is concerned. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my most recent withdrawal. Yeah, as you can see, this was on the date on the 4th of October. I made a withdrawal of $21,000. Yes, and if you recall, I'm actually going to go scroll all the way down, or maybe I'm going to stretch it out so that you guys can get the picture clearly. This account started from a deposit of $500. And going through my account history, you can see that I have not taken the most trades, but the most profitable trades. And if you want to have access to my FX book, you can send me a message, and you will notice that in total, I have made withdrawals of over $40,000 on this particular account. But today, I just want to focus on showing you guys this $21,000 withdrawal. And why am I showing you guys this withdrawal? Coming from a $500 deposit, the journey does not end here. There are going to be more trades of me scalping, more vlogs of me going around the world, more trades, more crypto trades, more indices trades. But this video today is strictly for motivational purposes, to show you guys that your capital does not play a strong role in your trading career. What really matters is the knowledge you've been able to acquire, or the amount of knowledge you have access to. And going through my account history, this is more than evidence that this is consistent. Time after time, trade after trade, profit on profit on profit. This is too easy, guys. Really put your mind to this. If you really put your mind to this, if you are focused and you know that you really want to make money trading, nothing is impossible. Don't let any mentor fool you with the ideology that losing money is normal. Nobody goes into any sort of business with the expectation of losing money. Everyone wants to make profits, and this in front of you is consistency. Emphasis once again on consistency. So if you want to make residual income, probably you're too busy to take my signals, or you're too busy to trade or make any sort of analysis yourself, or just busy out there making the world a better place, you can connect your live trading account to mine and simply copy my trades and leave the market with profits with myself and the team. And if you have any questions concerning copying my trades or any of my other services, you can visit the website or reach out to me personally. My contact details will be in the description. Yeah, I want to make this video actually very quick, showing you guys consistency, showing you guys that nothing is impossible as long as you put your mind to it. Lest I forget, the Academy is currently offering a 25% discount on all memberships. So this is the best time for you to get access to any of the any membership of your choice at a discounted price. Clinton signing out. make sure you like and subscribe so you can get some more videos. I'm going to be trading cryptos, more cryptos, and I'm going to fund a new account with over $100,000, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to scalp the markets and actually make money every day. So there's going to be a lot of great things coming on this channel. Go ahead and watch previous videos, like and subscribe. And Clinton signing out from Miami. Like, share, and subscribe once again. And hey guys, trade safely.